Hello and welcome back. Today we're gonna be walking through the steps. No, today is not the recording day. Today we're gonna walk through all the steps I'm following while setting up my website for a shop update, and also we're gonna take the opportunity to show the last part of the process in which I'm gonna be packing all your orders. I had my shop update last Sunday. I'm so grateful for all your love and support, and yeah, we're gonna take the advantage of this situation for me to share all the insights, also the materials I'm using in order to do that, because it's a really important part of the process, getting all your pottery safe to you guys. I wanted to take a moment to thank you guys. Maybe some of you did not order or you're supporting on my social medias. That's also so lovely and wonderful, so thank you. There is not always need to buy for me to appreciate your love. I already do it. But I got also some messages asking for more elf mugs and mushroom mugs because they sold out in a matter of minutes, and wow, I'm so impressed and so grateful for that. But don't you worry if you couldn't get yours. I'm already working on a new batch. I have actually one piece that is running out in there on the shelves that are behind you. So don't you worry, you'll be able to get some of the mugs on my next collection. Let's start. I'm gonna put away my phone because I need to do a lot of things this morning and I don't have much time, and I wanna be efficient because packing pottery is always taking a lot of time because I wanna make sure that all your parcels are being packed properly, that there is no movement inside the boxes, and that your bomos are safe and sound. And by the way, I always have some insurance on all the packages, so this is an important thing to do. I hope you enjoy it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Let's go. Let's move on. And that's my favorite moment, the one I'm editing the pictures and I'm able to see and welcome the new work that is been going through all the pottery making process. It's so satisfying. And in the moment in which I'm setting up my website, I'm always like with this feeling when you have to go to a vacation, you need to organize your suitcase and everything, that you always have the feeling that you're gonna forget something. I have the same feeling, and once I open up my store, I get away from the devices, all my work has been done. It's a special moment. So I went through all the orders and now I'm just going through the pieces just to see if there are some marks or something that I need to polish from the kiln. Basically, if I'm polishing, it's just to have a smoother surface. For example, my mother, she hates to touch raw pottery because it has like this texture feeling to it. It's like scratching somehow, and she's having like angustia, like she's really sensitive to that feeling. So yeah, just in any case, I will go through the pieces and use the sandpaper in order to smooth out the surface. Then later on, I'm just gonna start packing. Depending on the country, I'll have to prepare extra documents. So basically, now we're gonna polish, we're gonna keep on packing. And I'm wearing the mask because we don't want to breathe the scent of the pottery. That's not good for our lungs. It's been a week. Maybe for you it's a matter of a few seconds, but for me it's been a week away from the studio. I was in Galicia touring, working as a dancer, and it was awesome. I had a lot of fun. We were performing in a theater, in a forest, and also in a school. But we're back, and I'm gonna get back to all your orders. I'm gonna be finishing all the things I couldn't do before, which is almost everything. I thought I would manage to pack some of the pieces, but it didn't happen. I just grouped them up together and organized everything, but it's fine. I'm gonna be enjoying just to be here chilling, not dancing for a week, or at least for this morning, because this evening I'm gonna be teaching dance. It's fine. I'm gonna finish everything and I'm gonna start booking the shipping service. It's time to open this one up and start using it because it's huge. I want to use it up as soon as possible because it's taking a lot of space. I also need to clean up the studio. Every single time I'm packing the pieces, I feel a tiny bit sad because I love all the pieces, but also I'm really happy that they are going to a new home and they will be able to share the love I shared with the piece and the connection with the new owners. So yeah, I'm always like kind of saying goodbye to the pieces and appreciating them and enjoying them for the last time, and it feels like really emotional. I love the Max. I love those ones, and I'm gonna be making some more in order to share all the love with you guys. So I wanted to take also the opportunity to just open up and talk a tiny bit and share with you how I'm feeling right now and the moment I'm going through. I'm just not feeling myself right now. This is a year in which I challenged myself to change patterns and to stop working that much because I'm a workaholic, let's be honest. And I've been all my life doing a lot of activities and a lot of things at the same time. Teaching pottery, teaching dance, working as a dancer, working as a potter, all at the same time. It was stressful. Last year I was just like a bit overwhelmed. So I challenged myself this year to just take it easier and have like a normal day, maybe with less hours of work and just having the weekend off and enjoying friends, having shorter days. Because like this I would be able to have more energy and to have quality time and also working and giving my best in less hours. So maybe the production will be smaller, but the quality and joy that I can get from those less pieces I'm creating is higher because I can take the opportunity to connect with all the pieces and enjoy the process because I'm doing this, guys, because I love it. I had this moment in which I just decided to slow down the amount of work I was doing and invest on myself and treating myself better. And it's not being easy, guys. I hate myself sometimes because of that decision. At the same time, I have a new situation in the school I'm working as a teacher. The business is being sold to another team, so I don't know if I'll have job next year, and this is also creating an friction, unease. We are starting to have meetings. I was supposed to have this meeting like 2 weeks ago, but because I was working as a dancer with the company, I couldn't have that meeting. And yesterday night, I was supposed to have this meeting with this person, but finally it wasn't the right moment because it was really late. I'm feeling weird right now. I'm just feeling disconnected from myself. I just don't feel myself anymore, and I wanted to share this with you guys because I think that a lot of us and all of us, we might go through this moment in life in which we just don't feel ourselves, and it's completely fine to have these emotions of, for example, for me, I'm feeling not grounded. I'm feeling quite anxious and stressed because I don't know how the future is gonna look like for me, and I'm starting to have to make decisions, but I cannot take them fully because I still don't know how it's gonna look like the landscape and the teaching job. Those changes that I'm having as a person emotionally, and also the outside landscape is shifting. I'm just feeling off, and it's cool, it's fine. I thought it would be wonderful, lovely to share it with you guys because I know all of us will go through these moments. And if you're going through this moment and you want to talk to me, you can go to the comment sections or DM me on Instagram or wherever. I would love to take some time to just to open up and share and be connected with this community that is being growing. And I'm so lucky and I'm so thankful, and thank you so much for accompany along and for being part of the Bomo family Terra Ceramics, because I'm just impressed, I'm amazed, and I really feel you. guys, and this is why I'm opening up right now, because I think that you are already my family. And if you have been through this process, or if you have been through this period of your life in which you're not feeling yourself and you want to also share some tips, let me know, because I would love to read some. But I just wanted to encourage you guys to just be okay with not being okay, and to talk to people and to share and to make it human and normal, because sometimes I feel that we don't talk about those things enough. It's also fine to talk about things that are not vibing or feeling the best in a really okay way, in a normal and honest way. Also, those things help us to release some stress or maybe some emotions, or just to feel grounded. And this is why I'm sharing it with you guys, because since this is growing and you're here with me, I want to be honest, and I just felt that it was the perfect opportunity, since we are packing parcels and we are sharing and spreading love. I just wanted to share my human part in the moment in which I'm finding myself right now. And also, I think that it's really important in those moments to take time for ourselves. I don't feel grounded. I don't feel the best right now. I don't feel myself, but I feel so lucky also to have you, to have my partner, to have my family, my friends. And I feel okay with this situation. And we're gonna go for the last parcel, that is having those two Captain mug with mushroom mug, and also one with the spring decor with the little flowers. I need to sign the postcards and I need to book the services, but for the packing we're about to finish. And also this landscape that is shifting all around me is bringing up some questions, and I just wanna say that I'm not sure about anything. Maybe this is a wonderful opportunity for me, if I don't have a teaching job next year, to invest my time in here in pottery, in making Terra Unida ceramics grow and the Pomo family. But also is a tiny bit of a stressful situation, nerve-wracking, because with a teacher career somehow I could have an income that is stable, and with pottery we never know, because I've never been working just as a potter. So we're gonna be moving on to booking the shipping service. I'm gonna be waiting the parcels and go ahead and book the service. Quite simple, easy, and boring. No, it's not. It's not really exciting part of the process. All of this wouldn't happen if you were not supporting and if you were not sharing also your love with me. But it's a tiny bit nerve-wracking, just the thought of just investing all myself into something that I don't know if it's gonna be successful. And it's not about the success, but also being realistic. I need to, like, pottery is expensive and I need to pay a lot of things, so I need to pay rent and everything. So I'm thinking about how it's gonna look like my second half of the year, if I just wanna be brave and invest all myself into being a potter full time, or finding another job. But I don't know. I don't know if you've been there, but most probably you did. I don't know if as a potter, but those periods in which everything is changing, and I feel myself changing. I feel that the end of an era is approaching, and the Joan that was living in that era is shifting also, and is developing and is growing. And I'm kind of sad because of that, because some things are about to finish. But at the same time, I'm really happy and excited to get to know myself, me, and to see and discover along the way what is gonna happen. I hope you're excited to be open to letting go also from ourselves. I'm not feeling my best, but I'm so excited with all the things I'm doing right now, and I'm grateful to have you. So if you want to share anything with me, go ahead. I love to talk about it. If you want to share a piece of you, this is wonderful too, because you would give me the opportunity to get to know you better. And yeah, let's continue packing. So all the shipping companies are booked, and now I'm gonna be printing the labels and also the documents that are gonna be traveling with the parcels. So we have all the labels printed, and I'm gonna be attaching them to the boxes. And then I'm gonna sign the postcards. Yay! It's almost 9 p.m. and I think I still have a good hour to go. That's the part of the process that, as you can guess, I'm not really excited about. I have the label here. We're gonna attach it, but first we're gonna get into the signing the podcast. Let's go for the third podcast. I don't know why I'm saying all the time podcast. Let's go for the third postcard. 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 I'm gonna sign the third postcard. I bet you got me right. Postcard. This word by itself I can, but not the full sentence. I'm gonna sign the third postcard. There we go. I'm tired. So that's all, folks. For today, I'm done. I won't do anything else. I have the parcels that will be picked up on Monday ready, and I have few parcels that I need to still tape, but those ones are the ones that I need to drop in the office, so it's completely fine. But for now, that's all, and I'm really happy to go home and to sleep and to enjoy the weekend. And then on Monday, the little bombers will be traveling to all of you guys. Well, I hope, I wish to all of you. They will be traveling to their forever home. And if you have any thoughts, share them with me in the comment section. And thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for being part of this family. I love you. And honestly, I wouldn't be the same one without you. And I wouldn't be the same one without Taramida and all the things you gave me, because all of this happened because of you. So thank you. Love you. See you next time. Bye.